Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting materials and confirming safety. You need plywood, 2x4s, screws, wood glue, and a drill and saw. Once done, measure twice and mark cuts so parts fit precisely. Using a 1/4 to 1/2 safety margin prevents overload. Make sure to clear a workspace, lay down scrap cardboard, and wear goggles and gloves. You'll test your tools on scrap wood first so final pieces aren't ruined. This step avoids rework and keeps you safe. Now you assemble the frame. Start by cutting and labeling each 2x4 and plywood piece so assembly is efficient. This saves time and mistakes. Pre-drill holes to avoid splitting, apply wood glue at joints, and clamp for 10 to 15 minutes to set. Once dry, drive screws and add 45-degree braces at corners, plus metal plates where load concentrates. Make sure to check squareness with a carpenter's square. Correcting alignment now prevents wobble later and improves finish by adding functional surfaces and testing. You attach foam padding and a durable cover, stapling or gluing it tightly to avoid shifting during use. Once assembled, load test the equipment gradually, increasing weight or pressure in 10 to 25% steps until you reach the intended capacity. This reveals weak points safely. If you encounter wobble or looseness, tighten screws, reglue joints, and add gussets or metal brackets. Finally, recheck padding adhesion and do a few controlled reps to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.